Hey there, let me ask you something. Do your joints feel stiff in the morning? Do your knees crack when you stand up? Or maybe your hips ache after a short walk? If you said yes to any of these, then what I'm about to share with you could change your life. It's called Joint Genesis, and it's helping thousands of people over 45 feel young, active, and pain-free again. And the best part, it's 100% natural. Here's the truth most people don't know. Joint pain isn't just about age. It's not about wear and tear or just getting old. According to recent research, the real culprit is the loss of hyaluronan, a special molecule your body makes to keep your joints lubricated and shock absorbent. When you're younger, your joints are full of thick, slippery fluid like engine oil. But after 45, hyaluronan levels drop fast. That fluid dries up and your joints become stiff, creaky, and inflamed. Sound familiar? That's where Joint Genesis comes in. This breakthrough formula was created by Dr. Weis, a practicing physician with over 25 years of experience. He discovered that restoring hyaluronan levels could dramatically improve joint health, naturally. Joint Genesis is not a painkiller. It's a science-backed supplement that helps your body fix the root cause of joint discomfort. Let's break it down. Mobily, a patented ingredient with hyaluronan, type I collagen, and other compounds. It's clinically shown to increase hyaluronan levels up to 10 times. French maritime pine bark extract, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight joint inflammation and protect cartilage. Boswellia serrata and ginger root, ancient herbs known for reducing stiffness and improving mobility. Bioperine, a black pepper extract that helps your body absorb everything faster and better. Together, these ingredients work like a well-oiled machine, helping your joints feel younger, more flexible, and pain-free. Now you might be thinking, sounds good, but does it really work? Let me tell you, thousands of people are already seeing amazing results. People who couldn't walk without pain are now hiking again. People who needed help getting out of bed are dancing, gardening, playing with grandkids. We've heard from men and women in their 50s, 60s, even 70s who say this formula gave them their life back. Joint Genesis is made in the USA in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and there are no stimulants or artificial additives. And here's the best part. You're protected by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That's 6 full months to try it risk-free. If you don't feel a difference, you get your money back. Simple as that. Now, I need to warn you, Joint Genesis is not sold in stores. You won't find it on Amazon or in pharmacies. The only way to get the real original formula is through the official website. And right now, if you use the link in the description or first comment, you can claim a special discounted price. But I don't know how long that offer will last. So don't wait. You don't have to live with joint pain. You don't have to slow down or give up the things you love. Click the link in the description or the first comment and try Joint Genesis today with 0 risk. Feel the difference in your joints, your energy, your life. It's not just about comfort. It's about freedom. The freedom to move, to enjoy, and to truly live again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video and hopefully with a lot less pain.